Hi dear students, good evening all of you. Very good evening. Are you able to hear me? Am I audible? Good evening Kirtika, Shrutika, Uma, Shivakumar. Good evening all of you. Yes, am I audible? Good evening all of you. Yes, okay ma. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, welcome back to Geeta's classes. I think you got results, no? Today, supply results have come, no? Okay, thank you, Uma Reddy. Good evening, Sai Kumar. And I got messages from many students that they have cleared. Congratulations, all of you, those who have cleared. Very good. Very good, ma. I feel very happy that I could do something for you. I could help you. Really, I feel very happy. That is the reward I want. I feel very happy when my students clear the subjects. Very nice. Very good. And continue to learn like this. Practice a lot. Okay, lot in the sense every day half an hour maximum if you spend for COSM, it is more than sufficient. And that day somebody asked, is it a tough subject? No, it is very very easy subject. Okay, good evening Nagalakshmi. Very very easy subject. So shall we start today's class? It is unit 3. We are in unit 3. We have completed 6 classes. This is 7th class. Okay. And we have completed normal distribution, uniform distribution, exponential and gamma distributions we have completed. Now we are going to see the next part, that is sampling distribution. Very good Jayant Kumar. I am very happy ma. Very good. Super. Congratulations. Okay, very good ma. Thank you. Thank you for your nice words. I feel very happy that I could help you. Very nice. This is the reward you are giving. More than anything, this is what makes me happy. Very good. Really, today I got many messages that we have cleared because of you people were telling, no, so I feel very happy today. Very nice. Vishal, good evening Vishal. Thank you Maka for coming here. Jayant Kumar, thank you for coming here and telling like this. Thank you. Very nice. Okay. So we are going to see sampling distribution. This is only for practice. Already all these topics are available in the channel. This is only for practice. Okay. Because practice makes permanent. Please remember that sentence. Practice makes permanent. And one more thing I always tell you. Oh, thank you, Uma. Thank you, Ma. Thank you. I didn't see that. Yes. Thank you, Ma. Even Uma Reddy got very good marks, no? In internal and all, she got very good marks. Very nice. Congrats. Many students have done very well in that, even mid-exam also. Very nice. Keep it up, okay? And all of you should clear COSM. Then only I'll feel very, very happy. And it is very easy, okay? Okay, next is sampling distribution. Next topic, sampling distribution. So in this very basic example, if you want me to give, I'll give you the basic example at home, real life. We are cooking rice, right? Actually, we want to know what is population. We have two important words, very, very important words in sampling distribution. One is population, another one is sample, right? So in this, and I'll give you some things to be remembered. You have to by heart. no other go, but I keep on repeating these things so that it will get registered. Okay, you will be practiced by that. Okay, and first let us understand what is a sample. Why do we need sample? See, I am cooking for cooking rice. You take the example of rice. Okay, I have 2 cups of rice. Thousands of grains will be there in the rice, right? And I want to cook the rice. What will I do? What is the procedure? We will put the rice and water in the and heat it, right? So 10 to 15 minutes after that, we have to check whether it is cooked or not. Otherwise, it will become waste. No, when you if it is overcooked, you cannot eat it as a rice, right? It will become very watery or semi-solid kind. So what you have to do is, you are in the correct consistency, you have to remove that. So before that, it should not be overcooked, and it should not be not cooked also. I mean less cooked also. Okay. So what will I do? I cannot check all the thousands of grains in that rice, right? So what will I do? I will take 2-3 rice. I will remove from the 2-3 grains. I will remove from the rice and check, right? So that is called the sample. What do you want to know? The entire rice is cooked or not. That is our aim. Our aim is to find out the entire thousands of grains are cooked or not. That is called the population. That is, we want to find out the nature of what item. That is called the population. An item in which we are interested in. So we are interested in the whole rice is cooked or not. Thousands of grains are cooked or not. That is called the population. And I am taking 2 or 3 rice grains from the rice, checking. So I am analyzing that 1, 2 or 3 grains. No, that grains is called the sample. Understood now? So we want to find out the nature of the entire rice, that is called population. And if you are taking 2-3 grains, no, that is called the sample. Okay. Wait, Jayant Kumar has uploaded something. Ma'am, if possible, please upload M1 of R18. M1 I have uploaded already. It is available, but not all the topics. Anyway, I am planning R18 only, no. Next week or so, after maybe I'm little busy with my work. Actually, I thought of starting that let us study M1 also. Okay. So if it is possible next week, I may start. 25th they have mid exam. So before that I'll start. Anyway, before your exam I'll upload all the topics. Don't worry. Okay. Before your main exam. Do you have in between? If you have in between, you tell me. I'll try to upload all the topics. But I'm trying to make M1 also study. The students study. They really feel M1 is very difficult, but M1 is also very easy only. Maybe 1 unit you may find it difficult. All the 4 units are very, very easy. Okay. Don't worry. I'll try to upload that remaining topics also. Okay. Don't worry about that. First of all, you should have confidence on you. Right? So, now I hope you understood what is the population, what is the sample. Right? So, what here? The main aim is, if you want to analyze the characteristics of the population, we are taking some items, a subset of this population, some elements we are taking from the population and analyzing the nature of that. That is called the sample. That is the subset is called the sample. And in that sample, we are going to analyze the nature of the sample items, and depending on this results, we are going to decide the nature of the population. Understood? That is called the sampling. Sampling theory means what? The way of taking, the process of taking the sample from the population and analyzing that. That is called the sampling theory. The sampling theory means that only. Or sampling is the process of taking the sample and analyzing that characteristics and deciding the nature of the population. That is called the sampling. Okay. So in population we have these things you have to by heart. If you know, this is going to be useful throughout the 4th unit, even this unit ending, and throughout 4th unit you are going to use these notations. So you have to remember, population size is capital N, sample size is small n, and majority mostly population characteristics will be denoted by capital letters. For sample we use small letters. Okay, so understood. So size is, population size is capital N, sample size is small n, and population mean is denoted by mu. Always we are used to this symbol, right? Mu means mean, we know. So for population only we are going to use mu, and for sample we use x bar. Okay, and for sample, standard deviation of population is sigma. For sample we use a new letter small s, and variance of this, variance of population is sigma squared, and sample population is s squared, right? And these values are called parameters, population parameters. And you should remember these words also. Even for the 2 marks questions, you can be asked the theory part. Okay, so parameters are for population. These n, mu, sigma, sigma squared, they are all called parameters. Okay, and these values are called statistic. So population parameters, PP, remember like that, population parameters. Okay, and for sample statistics, yes, sample statistics, that is, these variables are called sample statistics. These variables are called population parameters, PPSS, remember like that. Okay, good evening Fatima. Alia Fatima, yes ma'am. Good evening. So next is, after this you should know all these things, and we are going to do these sample, taking the sample and analyzing this, and we have some notations, that is sampling fluctuation. Some more definitions are there. Sampling fluctuation. Sampling fluctuation means, see, I have one population. Okay, always if you take one sample, no, I gave the rice example, in that everything will be correct. If you take some rice, no, some grains, definitely everything will be cooked, but it will not be the case in all the population, all the samples. Okay, so if you consider some other population, and if you take sample 1 and sample 2 and sample 3, etc., sample n, samples n different samples, that is, we are there, 10 people are there, one population is given to 10 different people, and the first person may take some, for example, if you consider the pens, okay, pens, thousands or 5,000 pens are manufactured, or 1 lakh pens are manufactured. Okay, I want to analyze the particular company pens, whether they are writing good or not. So I want to take different samples. So 10 persons I am assigning that work. So first person may take 10 pens. Okay, even if the same size, if you take, second person may take 10 pens, etc. And all the n people are taking 10 different pens. But whatever, these are all, it is only sample. So okay, so here in the first sample only 7 may write. Some characteristics may differ. Okay, the same thing need not be there for sample 2, because these 10 pens are different, these 10 pens are different. Okay, and if you find out the mean from some characteristics, if you want to find out the mean of the population, it will be always the same. For this 1 lakh pen, if you find out some characteristics, how much time it is going to write, okay, or how many pages they are going to write, this is the characteristics we want to find out. Okay, this is the analysis we are going to find out. So in the mean, population mean for this 1 lakh 1 lakh pens, this will be different. Okay, mean will be mu. But here in this over even one sample, first sample it is 10 and 10 different pens. In sample 2, 10 different pens, and so on, this n different pens, as nth sample will be different, right? Therefore here, if you, the mean will be different for this, the mean will be different for this. Here x1 bar I can take, x2 bar I will take, and xn bar. These values, definitely there will be some difference between these samples, right? Therefore so this is called sampling fluctuation. If you find out different, I hope you understood, there is a population and I am assigning 10 different people for finding out the characteristics of those pens. Okay, so mean, definitely this will have one mean. For example, if you consider the number of pages you can write with that pen, each pen. So mean pages will be for population, or there is only one value. But if you take 10 different samples, 10 different values will be there. So definitely there will be difference between this x1 bar, x2 bar and xn bar. Okay, this difference is called the sampling fluctuation. Okay, sampling fluctuation. Some more people have joined. Yes, Nitin, good evening ma. Teja Sai, okay ma, I have cleared COSM. Very good ma. Very good, congratulations. Really, I feel very happy for you people. Nice, very nice. So this is sampling fluctuation, and sample mean and sample variance. When we are doing problems, I will tell you how to evaluate that sample mean and sample variance. Okay. Then we have sampling distribution. Distribution also I'll tell you how we are going to distribute. Next is standard error. Standard error. All these definitions are useful in the next unit also. Okay. Standard error, it is denoted by SE. SE of a statistic. Of a statistic. I have told you already, standard, we are taking samples, no? So definitely it cannot be a perfect, right? Because we are taking some samples. Always it need not be the same as the population. Definitely there will be some error. Okay, that is the standard deviation of the sample. If you take the standard deviation of the sampling distribution, standard deviation of the sampling distribution is called the standard error. The standard deviation of the sampling distribution is called the standard error. Is the standard error. Okay, of the statistic, right? So this is another definition, important definition. You may be asked to find out the standard error. In estimation, we will do those things. Okay, and one more important definition we have for mean of the sampling distribution, mean of the samples. Okay, for finite population and sigma, actually generally mu means population, right? So for sample, if you take this, mu x bar is equal to mu. Always this mu x bar will be equal to mu, even if you take sample and sampling distribution, mean of those samples, if you take, definitely mean will be equal to that. But if you take a sigma x bar, then it will be sigma by root n. This sigma is for population, okay, and this is for sample. I'll tell you when you do the problem, you will understand this, okay. And next is this is for again finite population. We have different formulas. You have finite population and infinite population. Finite population and infinite population. So for finite population, the variance is a sigma bar squared is equal to sigma squared by n into capital N minus n by small capital N minus 1. This is the variance. If you want to find out the standard deviation, then it will be equal to sigma by root n into root of n minus n by n minus 1. Okay. This is for without replacement. Finite population without a replacement. Okay. And this we have told now, this is for infinite population. Mu x bar is equal to, this is infinite population. This is for infinite population. And this is for finite population. Okay. And we have one more formula. This n minus, for finite population we have this, no, n minus n by n minus 1 is called the correction factor. This can be asked for 2 marks. Find the correction factor of, one problem we will do now that can be asked even for the exam. Okay. So let us do the problems. Right. Find the correction factor. That is the first problem. Find the correction factor of factor if first one, you calculate, all of you have a calculator. N is equal to 5 and capital N is 200. Find out, calculate these values. Yes, ma, values, please post the values. Find out what is the correction factor. Just now I have given the formula. Capital N minus n by n minus 1. Okay. So correction factor is equal to capital N minus n by n minus 1. Yes, ma. Uma ready. 0.9799 is correct. Very good. 0.9799 is right. Yeah, divided by, ma. Yes, divided by. Yes, Shivakumar, correct. Yes, very good. Very good. Kirtika is also right. 0.979 is correct. Yes, ma, very good. Shivakumar, correct. Shrutika, right. Excellent. Yes, yes. N is equal to, next one more problem. N is equal to 10. N is equal to 1000. Capital N is 1000. Find out. CF. Yes, ma. Very good. 0.990. Yes, ma. Okay, Charita. Wow. After long time. 0.990. Shivakumar, Kirtika, correct. 0.90. Oh, before that itself, people have entered. Very good, very good. Yes, ma. Shrutika, 0.990. Yes, ma. Very good. Very good. Kirtika, very good. Shivakumar, very good. Charita, very good. Uma Reddy. Yes, ma. All of you are excellent. Very good, very good. 0.9909. Yes, yes. Excellent. Okay, next problem. A population consists of, all of you write. All of you write. A population consists of 5 numbers. So here the population is 5 numbers. 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. 11. Consider all possible samples of size 2, which can be drawn with replacement. This is a repeated question, that's why I am giving. Already we have done, but still I am giving because it is very, very important question. Easy but repeated question, standard question. Okay. With replacement from this population. First one, A. Find the, or here itself I will write, find the following. Okay. Find first one. Okay, after that, who has given? Uma Reddy is correct. Nagalakshmi, correct ma, very good. Charita, no problem. Yes ma. Then Ashan Khan, thank you. Okay. Okay ma, very good. Congratulations. Discrete mathematics already I have uploaded ma. In my channel it is available, discrete mathematics. Okay, all the topics are available. Only 5th unit, 1 or 2 topics are missing. And 3rd unit I did not touch because it is pure CSE subject, all programming. If you want, I'll upload that also if I have time. Okay. Except 3rd unit, all the remaining 4 units are available in that. In a very simple way, I have explained all the 4 units. Discrete maths, it is available. Okay. Wow, Shivakumar, super. Mean music. I have not even completed the question. Find the mean of the population. Yes. Find the mean of the population. Second one, find the standard deviation of the population. I hope all of you have calculator. If you have calculator, it is very simple. You can just enter the values and you have to write. Yes. Nitin, okay ma, I will give you. In Teams, I will give you. Okay. Yes. It will reach you, don't worry. Your marks will reach you. But everyone has done well. Lateral entry students, all the 10 students, they have done very well. In A section, I think they are doing very well. They have done very well. I will give you by today, by tomorrow you may get your marks. Okay. Ashankan, you are welcome. Yes, ma'am. Next is 3rd one, the mean of the sampling distribution of means. Mean of the sampling distribution of means. And 4th one, the standard deviation of the sampling distribution of means. Standard deviation of sampling distribution of means. Okay. So first, mean of the population. See here, what is the population? Very, very simple ma. one definite question for generally for 5 marks they will ask. I don't know last time they asked or not, I don't know, but definitely you can expect one question for 5 marks. So population is 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. Only 5, that is capital N. There are 5 elements in 5 items in the population, that is 5, capital N is 5. And what are they? 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. They are the values, right? Now you have to find out the mean. Mean formula is important. You have to remember the formula, that is sigma xi by n. Sigma xi by n. This is our x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. xy values are there. So sigma xi by n. Therefore, it is 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 11 divided by 5. Tell me the values. 6. Right? Shivakumar already has written mean is equal to 6. Very good, ma. Very good. Mean is equal to 6. Now find out the standard deviation. Standard deviation is sigma xi minus x bar the whole square. This is our mu x bar. Mean is mu x bar. This is mean of, sorry, not mu x bar. It is mu. Mu. Mean of the population. Mean of the population, mean. Mu. Mean mu is equal to sigma xi by n. Okay. Sample is n is equal to 2. Yes, ma. Small n is 2. Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Next is standard deviation sigma xi minus x bar divided by n. That is, what is our mu x bar? Sorry, xi minus mu here. X bar, generally we write x bar, but here it is mu. Okay, xi minus mu. So 2 minus 6 the whole square plus 3 minus 6 the whole square plus 6 minus 6 the whole square plus 8 minus 6 the whole square plus 11 minus 6 the whole square, the whole divided by 5. Find out this value and tell me. Find this. Find out this by using calculator. Yes, 13.5. No. No more, please calculate properly. $10.8. Yes, ma. Correct. Yes, yes, correct. Very good. 10.8 is correct. $10.8 is correct, Nagalakshmi. Shivakumar, you do it again. Denominator standard deviation 5 only, ma. That is for t-test, we will use capital S, no. There it is n minus 1, not here. In 4th unit, Charita, 4th unit, it is in t-test, no, ma. There we have capital S and small s, okay. There we will have this difference. Small s means n minus 1 and s means, capital S means n minus 1. Small n means it is n, something like that. Difference will be there. N or n minus 1, okay, there comes between small s and capital S. Okay, in t-test, not here. Not here. It is n only. It is n only here. Okay, ma'am. So 10.8 is correct. Sarita, 10.8 is the correct value. It is the formula, Shrutika. It is the formula, ma'am. It is, sorry, here also square. So here I forgot. Yeah, Shrutika only always he'll be to the point. Yes, very good, very good. Very good. Thank you, Shrutika. Here also square, ma. Xi minus mu the whole square divided by n. Yes, very good. Shivakumar also, because of that, I think he got 22.5. Yes. Okay. Yes, ma. Got it. Yes, okay. Correct. Very good. Nagalakshmi, Ketika, Shivakumar, correct. Very good. Sumit also, very good. Charita, okay, got it. Yes. So this is 10.8. But I want, this is actually variance. Formula is variance. Variance is sigma squared, right? So this is 10.8. And you have to find out standard deviation. Standard deviation means root of sigma squared. That is root of 10.8. You will get 3.28 something. So it will be 3.29. 3.29. Okay, this is 3.29. Okay, now this is first part is over. Second, this is A and this is the answer for B. In B, I have found out first variance, then find out sigma. Standard deviation is sigma. Okay, now coming to the third question. Listen all of you. The mean of the sampling distribution of means. Here this is very, very important. Sampling distribution of means. So what is the population here in this problem? The population is 2, 3, 6, 8 and 11. Right? So here it is mentioned that without replacement. With replacement. Here in the problem they have mentioned that it is with replacement. And consider all possible samples of size 2. Consider all possible samples of size 2 which can be drawn with replacement from this population. See, if you slowly read the question, nothing is difficult. It is very, very easy. Read the question properly and understand what is given, what is asked. Okay, so this is the population. Population contains 5 elements, that is capital N is equal to 5. Right? Now I am going to take, what are the samples now? Samples of size 2. Size 2, that means small n is equal to 2. First itself Shivakumar mentioned n is equal to 2. Small n is equal to 2. Right? Okay. So samples of size n is equal to 2. Now, for each, what are the samples we can take? You consider all the possible samples. See, first I am taking 1 from the population, that is I am taking 2. If I take 2 and I am replacing it, right? I am keeping it back. So, second also I can take 2. There is a possibility of taking 2 because with the replacement they have given. And with 2, first I am taking 2. Again, if I keep it back, again there is a possibility of choosing the same 2 value. So it is 2, 2. Then first 2 and second it can be 3. And 2, 6, 2, 8 and 2, 11. Hope you understood how we are getting. Because we are given that it is with replacement. Similarly, in the first one, samples of 2 we are choosing. Okay, 2 elements from that. So first element if I take 2 and we are replacing it. Therefore second also it can be 2. There is a chance of getting 2. Similarly other things. And similarly for the other numbers, for second one, if I take the first number as 3 and second number it can be 2. 3, 3, then 3, 6, 3, 8, 3, 11. Right? Similarly, 3, 3 also we are writing because we are keeping it back with replacement, right? Similarly, next one will be 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 6, 6, 8. I should not take this space because I have to write there means also. Wait. write little smaller. 2 comma 3, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 8, 2 comma 11. Sorry, 3 comma 3, 3 6, 3 8 and 3 11. Okay. Similarly, you write all the other values. Now 8 comma 2, 8 3. All of you please write 8. I am also writing for you only. Okay, because you have to write. So 8 6, 8 8, 8 11. Right. Similarly 11 2, 11 3, 11 6, 11 8 and 11 11. These are the samples. These are the samples of size 2. So these are the samples. Now I want to find out the mean of each sample. So mean of samples. Find out the mean of each sample. Understood? This is the population and I am taking two elements from the population. What are all the possible samples? Okay. So these are the possible samples. With replacement means because capital N is equal to 5. Okay, if it is with replacement, how many elements? Sometimes you will have a doubt whether we have written all the values or not. Okay, how will you find out? Here, with replacement means you will have n squared is equal to 5 squared. That is 25 elements will be there. 25 samples will be there. 25 samples should be there in the set of samples. Okay. So for each value, now you have to find out the mean of each sample. How will you find out? 2 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 2 again. 4 by 2, that is 2. Okay. So first element, for this element it is 2. For this, 2 plus 3 divided by 2, that is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5. Okay. Next is 2 plus 6 divided by 2, that is 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Similarly, find out all the values. You write all the values now. All of you write, use your calculator and I'll tell you how to use the calculator for finding the standard deviation. Even for X bar and standard deviation, very easy. First you do this, then I'll tell you. First you write the mean, then I'll tell you. Four, 5, 6.5, 2.53, 2.53, 4.5, 5.5, 7, right? Then second one, third one, 4, 4.5. You find the mean of each sample. 4.5, 6, then 7, 8.5, 5, 5.5, 7, 8. If there is any mistake, please tell me, okay? 9.5, 6.5, 7, 8.5, 9.5 and 11. Mean of sample formula, I'll tell you. Wait. All the 25 values you have to add more. You have to add all the 25 values and divide it by 25. Of course, you need not do that. I will tell you. You don't do that, I will tell you. Have you got all these values are right? Okay, now what you have to do is find out now mean of the sample. So here there are 25 values. See, the formula here is you have to find out. The third question is, remember, see, mean of sampling. This is sampling distribution. This is called sampling distribution. Okay, sampling distribution means these are the samples, right? How the samples are distributed. These are the samples, right? This is called the sampling distribution. From the name itself you can understand. Sampling distribution, and you have to find out the mean of the samples. For each sample we have found out the mean. No, now if you read the question you will understand. You are asked to find out the mean of sampling distribution of means. Okay, see, we have found out from the population what we have done. We have taken two elements with replacement, that is one element we have taken and kept it back. Again we have chosen the second element, then I kept it back, and so on. This is called the samples. This is the way we have to choose the samples, because it is mentioned with replacement. Okay, and for each sample, see, if it is with replacement you can check whether you got 25 samples or not. The formula is n squared. Without replacement I will tell you, this is for n squared with replacement. Okay, so and now for each sample you find out mean. This is sampling distribution. This is mean of the sample. This is the sampling distribution we can say now. You have to find out the mean of all these 25 values. That is called mean of sampling distribution of means. This is what is the sampling distribution of means? These 25 values are called sampling distribution of means. These 25 values are called sampling distribution of means. Understood? So now you have to find out the mean of 25 values and the standard deviation of these 25 values. But see, for 5 values it was very easy for us, right? So now what to do? Sigma xi divided by 25, right? Mean means mean. Here it is mu x bar. Mean of the samples, right? So that is called mu x bar. For means of the samples we are finding mean. X bar is the mean of the sample, right? For these values we are going to find out the mean. Okay. Similarly, sigma x bar squared is sigma xi minus mu x bar the whole squared divided by 25. Very difficult, right? So 2 minus whatever value you are getting here. Here already I have told you this you have to get 6 only. This will be equal to the population mean. Okay. So check the values, you have to get 25. Before that I will teach you for these things. See, for these values I will teach you how to use the calculator now. All of you take your calculator. I am going to teach in 991. Maybe some changes may be there. Yeah, mean of sample is 6 mark. Shivakumar is right. Yes, very good. Yes. See, take your calculator. What is the first step you have to do whenever you are taking a calculator? Clear your. We have to use sigma by root n. Yes, ma, you can use that. You can use that also. But if it is asked for 5 marks, no, you have to do all these values. You have to write the formula. I will tell you how to write the formula. If it is asked for 2 or 3 marks, then you can use sigma by root n. It will be correct. That we have to check now. I will check and show you. Okay. Yes. You can use that. But if it is asked for 5 marks, you have to do all these procedures. Okay. Otherwise, that is the excellent way. Shortcut actually. Sigma by root n will be shortcut. That's what 2 or 3 marks means you have to do that. Okay. So now population, all of you take your calculator. First thing is you have to clear your memory, right? So shift 9 3 equal to AC. Shift 9 to clear the memory. Shift plus 9 9, then 3 ma. 3 plus equal to shift 9, 3 equal to then AC. AC. You can note down, yeah, to clear memory. Yes, ma. Yes. Shift 9, 3 equal to then AC. 3 is missing and AC equal to you have shifted Kirtika. Kirtika, you have to shift them, okay? That is 2 are interchanged. This you note down this ma. Shift plus 9 plus 3 plus equal to plus AC. Yeah, 3. Yes. And these two order is also not the same. Equal to then AC. Shift 9, 3 equal to then only AC to clear the memory. Now we have cleared the memory. What you have to do is, now mode. Go to mode. Then 3. Go to mode. Actually, I am going to teach you how to calculate this x bar and sigma without writing. Actually, formula you have to write more. Formula you have to write, okay? Here you can write this formula, but you need not write for all the values, you need not write, right? Okay? Yeah. Using calculator. I am telling for fx, Casio fx. Casio fx 991 ES plus. And there may be other calculators, there may be small difference, that's all, okay? So mode, then 3, I'll write mode, then 3. If I put a circle, that are the switches, okay? So 3, then 1. 1 is for you, it is like this, variance. Variance. Then you will get the screen like this, x is equal to x and here. The cursor is here. Here you have 1, 2, 3, etc. 1, 2, 3, etc. The cursor is here, right? Now you put all the 5 values. What are the values here? 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. Okay. So 2, press 2, then press equal to. Then it will be showing like this. The cursor will be moved to the next position. Here this is the cursor in the next position. 2. Okay. So here you have 3. You have to enter 3. Then press equal to. 2 equal to. The cursor will be moved to the next position. Then 3, then equal to will be moved to the next position. Now the cursor will be moved to the next position. Like this you enter all the values. 2 equal to, 3 equal to, 6 equal to, 8 equal to, 11 equal to. So how will it come? For in the third position it is 6. In the fourth position 8. Fifth position we have entered 11. Now the cursor is moved to the sixth position. Now you press AC. Press AC. After this press AC. That means you are coming out. Right? Now you use shift and 1. Then 4. Shift and 1, then 4. 1 is for, I'll tell you. What is in 3? Okay, ma. Okay. 1 second. Yeah. In mode 3, start, ma. Start. Charita. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Yes, ma. Sure. Yes, ma. You can also, yes. Very good. Charita, thank you for reminding that. Okay, very good. Yeah. Now understood, right? Yes. Usually I'll write, I forgot this time. Yes, it's okay. Yeah. 1 is for variance. Yes, ma. So, next is, you have this yellow color key, no? In above 1, we have STAT. That is in yellow color. that is to be used with the shift. Okay, so if it is mostly, it will be in along with 1 only. If it is not there, check the corresponding number. Shift then 1. Shift plus 1. 1 is for stat. Actually, above 1 you will get stat. It will be written like this, STAT. Okay. Then 4. 4 is for variance. 4 is for variance. It will be like this. 4 variance. It will be like this. Only VAR will be there. Now after this, you will be getting like this. 1 N and 2 X bar. In 3 we have sigma X and 4 we have SX. XX will be used for T distribution, so you need not worry about this 4 now. We are bothered only about 2 and 3. Of course, 1 for checking. You can check now 1. If you press 1 equal to, you will be getting N and 5 here in the screen. N is equal to 5. Again press the same thing. Shift 1, 4. Then if you press 2, this is for 1. If you press 2, you will be getting, press 2 equal to, 1 equal to. Then press 2 equal to, 1 equal to, 2 equal to. If you press 2 equal to, then it will be X bar and 6. It will be showing like this. Are you getting? X bar and 6. Okay. Then if you press 3 and equal to, shift 1, then 4, then 3 equal to. 3 equal to. Then it will be showing sigma X is equal to 3.2863. 2863. Okay? Got it, all of you? Got it, all of you? Any doubts in this? Now, I have taught you for 5 numbers, 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. That is only we have entered these values here in this, and immediately just by pressing this 1n, 2x bar, 3 sigma, just by pressing those numbers we have found out, we are able to found out these values. Okay, yes, okay ma, yes, very good Uma, yes ma, okay Shivakumar, yes ma, very good, got it. Now what you have to do, see, for 5 numbers it was easy for us. 2 minus 6, this is you can find out 4 squared and 3 squared plus 2 squared plus 5 squared divided by 5. It was easy, but for 25 numbers it will be very difficult, right? After AC, where ma? Okay, I'll explain once again full. Okay, I'll explain. See, for 5 numbers it will be very easy. For 25 numbers it will be very difficult, no? So, but what you have to do is you write these formulas. Sigma xi plus divided by n, that is, now you have to write 2 plus 2.5. Here you have to write 2 plus 2.5 plus etc. Actually, in the university exam, you should not show that you are using calculator. You should know that, you should show that you know the formula. Okay, but you are allowed to use the calculator. You are allowed to use the calculator, of course, but you should show that you know the formula. That is very important. So you have to write the formula, then only you will be given marks. Okay, and equal to, directly you can say, write 6 here. Similarly, here what you have to do is 6. So 2 minus 6 the whole square. At least 2-3 values you have to write. 2.5 minus 6 the whole square plus etc. plus the last value you write. What is the last value? Again 11 only. So 11 minus 6 the whole square divided by 25 is equal to. Now you find out and tell me. Definitely you have to get 6 here, ma. You have to get 6 here. Okay. And here what is the value you have to tell. After AC. Now Charita asked, Charita, this is for first one. Mode, 3, stat, 1 variance. Okay. And after AC, see now you have entered, you have stored all these values in this X series. Okay. Now we are going to find out sigma and X bar for these 5 values. What you have to do is you are coming out, if you press AC, you are coming out, right? Then now shift plus 1. Actually above 1 you can see these letters STAT in orange color. Whatever color is there for shift, the same color will be there for this also, right? So if you have stat STAT in that color, it is to be used, it is understood that it is to be used with shift. Okay, that is why shift 1. After shift 1, then you will be getting in with 4, we have variance. You have to select variance. You have to select variance. 1, then stat. I have come out of that. Okay. So you will be getting different values in that. 4 will be for 4 variance. Whatever number is there for you for variance, VAR, that you choose. After selecting this, you will get these 4. 1, it is for N. 2 for X bar. One for N, 2 X bar, 3 sigma X, and 4 it is Sx. Okay, this is for T distribution. You need not that N minus 1 you asked, no, that will be for Sx. Okay, so remaining these 4. Now if you select 1, you will be 1 and equal to, you will be getting N is equal to 5. 2 and equal to, you will be getting X bar and 6. When 3 and equal to means sigma X, that is 3.2863. Okay. Now, what are the values? Tell me for these 25 values, 25 numbers. Quickly. Quickly. Or shall I tell the values? Shall I write the values? You can check later. Definitely you have to get 6 marks, 6 there. And here you will be getting 5.40. Sigma X bar squared will be 5.40. Okay. Therefore, sigma X is equal to root of 5.4, which is 2.32. 2.32. And those who have cleared the papers, Noma, in the channel, in the topics, you can keep posting your happiness, okay, so that others will be benefited. If they see that, okay, this is useful, then definitely others will also check that, okay, either in the introduction class or somewhere, you just post it. Yeah, 2.32. 379. Yes, ma, correct. Correct. Very good. Very good, Uma. Yes. Now, you can check whether we have done correctly or not. Mu X bar is equal to, this is our mu value, we know. Right? So, this is equal to mu. For finite population, we have written no. Mu X bar is equal to mu. Yes, this is correct. Now, what is sigma X bar? Sigma X bar is equal to sigma by root n, no? This is for checking. What is sigma X bar? Sigma X bar. Sigma is 3.29, right? Wait. Sigma X bar is 3.29 divided by root of 5. No, wait. Yeah, sigma by root n, 5.4. Are you getting that? Divided by root of 5. You are getting 1.47. Now you should get 2.32 more. 1 second. Wait. With this is with replacement, right? Finite population. Okay. Sample size is root 2. Yes. Correct. I have kept 5. Yes. Sigma by root n. Yeah. 3.29 divided by root of 2. 3.29 divided by root of sample size is 2, right? So 3.29 divided by root of 2, that is 2.32638 or 64 you can say. See, that is what we got, no? 2.32 or 2.233 is okay, fine. Yes, ma. Got it? So, if it is asked for 2 or 3 marks, directly you can do. Right? If it is asked for 5 marks, you have to perform all these calculations. Understood? So, this is with replacement we have seen. Without replacement, we will see in the next class. Okay? Without replacement, because already it is time. So, without replacement, we will see in the next class. After that, actually today I thought of discussing how much we have completed in unit 3. In the next class, we will discuss this. Okay? Any other doubts if you have? Exactly equal. Yes, ma. Very good. Yes, of course. Yes. Exactly equal. Yes. Any other doubts, ma? And those who find that this is useful, please refer to your friends also. It will be useful for them also. Okay. That is our aim. Everyone should clear the papers. Nobody should say that maths is difficult. Okay. You can share with your friends. Any other doubts? We'll close otherwise. Without replacement, we'll see in the next class. Thank you so much for joining live. And I pray that all of you should be able to clear all these subjects.